Okay, so we just got to Macadamia Farm Outlet, Tropical Farms. It's right next to this this mountain road that we drove about 25 minutes from Lanikai Beach. Those mountains, man. Wow, look at those ridges. I wonder how those ridges form like that. Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, we're at the Macadamia farm, so let's go check it out. And then once again, all these wild chickens just roaming around in the nature. Oh, look at these chicks.
They're all stealing a worm.
Oh, worm? Oh,
the silkworm. Like
oh.
And that one's just like running away from everyone.
So I wanna.
And the mom's chasing him too.
Like he wants to eat it by himself, right?
Yeah, but the mom's also chasing him.
It's like, so man, no, you gotta share.
All of them are just like chasing the worm.
Where are you going? You gotta share. They don't want to share.
They're all just fighting.
Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, look at this statue right here. Oh, aloha with king and queen. Oh wow, okay.
Your coffee sample to the right when you're getting down. Macadamia sample right down the right.
All right. Aloha Tropical Farms. Okay. Ikumomai. I guess that means welcome. Oh, this must be the king and queen that we saw outside. Oh, okay. Corner Macadamia nut. Oh wow. Are these all same? Yeah. Oh, these are all same. These are different kind of sea salt. Oh wow. Different seasoning. Yeah. There's a famous Hawaiian host. Okay, of course, they sell different macadamia nuts covered with chocolate. Some Hawaiian hot sauces. You want to try the samples over there? Yeah. Let's get sample. Coffee's up there. Let's get the nuts first.
I think I know what that tastes like. I haven't had this.
Yeah, I really like it. It's really good.
Can you help me with the samples? So this is the roasted, unsalted. Wow, that's good. Okay, try the garlic.
Garlic?
It's Maui, onion, and garlic. Just one.
I like it also.
Yeah, the plain, right? You try the cinnamon one. Okay, I'm gonna try all of them. Cinnamon glazed. Thank you. I like cinnamon glaze too. Okay, roasted salted. Okay, let's try the caramel glazed. Thank you. Oh, why are they so big? It's a Kona coffee glazed. Oh wow. I like the Kona coffee with it. Yeah.
Coffee is good.
I like the coffee better. Yeah. Okay, the last one, honey roasted. Okay.
What is that?
I just have to open these.
Where did you get them?
Crack them over there.
Whoa, can I see?
Yeah. You have to crack these
These are
open too.
actual macadamia nuts?
Yeah, but you have to
Whoa,
crack
what
these
are-
open.
Are they just on the ground or what?
They're on the ground over there, but there's also
Whoa, they're just everywhere. Kualoa Ranch Nature Reserve. Wow, it's beautiful here. Dang. Oh wow. Look at all these macadamia nuts. Oh my gosh. So let me pick one up. So I don't know if they naturally just open up like this. I'm guessing it is because there's so many of them. I don't think they're gonna open one by one for us. Wow. But there's like thousands of them here for people to come and try, break it and open it. Okay. Are you gonna try some? Why don't you do it here? I think. Oh, over there? Okay. Yeah, they'll eat it.
I know. But I have to break it even more for them to eat it. Because they don't like the big pieces there.
Yeah, they're like the small pieces, right?
Yeah.
Are they gonna? No. Whoa, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, they're loving it. Oh, that's why they look so healthy. Hey, no fighting. You can share. Yeah. This one is a bully right here. Hey, you guys go away here. Chicks here. This one's so cute. Oh, that's a big one. That's too big. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna try to break one myself with my non-dominant hand while I'm recording. Oh my god, it's pretty strong. Man, this is why macadamia nuts are so expensive, because they're so hard to break. Oh, I'm gonna try to eat this one. Oh, fresh macadamia nut. And then let me give this to the birds.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, calm down. Okay, this one's for you guys. Here we go. No fighting. So if you love macadamia nuts and if you like feeding wild birds, wild chicken, wild chicks, yeah, definitely check out. They got, I think they have so many macadamia nuts here that they don't know what to do with it. Yeah, so all these birds are getting the leftover from what people were cracking up and then eating. Yeah, 2 thumbs up for Macadamia Nut Farm.